get carbide out. You got to high speed with no vibration on this quill, and you got to be able to move it. So this thing can't bounce when you're trying to do it. If it bounces, you'll break it. No, I can't feel it. Then I'd rather just. This is the way I'm used to doing it. I mean, you could use that, but.
I was just saying, yeah, if you put that in and bring it up. You got me in my. I really bring this up.
Turning this way, so I might even kick it out.